Hello car lovers, today gonna look over Ross's CRV. Now I'll stick the video up. We did it with a product to clean the headlights, and headlights are now made out of plastic and everything is made out of plastic. So these things get faded over time. And now Meguiar's has a product which is called Meguiar's Headlight Coating. And of course it is to be used after using the cleaning solution. So how does it work? Basically, you use a cleaning solution. It's obviously some type of polish. They provide a pad here. You wipe down the headlight, and then with a wet microfiber towel, you clean off. You let it dry. I got an air hose for that. And after that, you apply this coating. Now, this coating is supposed to last 1 year, so it's applied yearly. And by doing that maintenance regime, you should have clear headlights all year round. So that's pretty awesome. This window is going to be done in English. That window is going to be done in French, so that way everybody gets to see what's going on. So as you can see, I'm going to put about a quarter size drop on this little pad, and then I'll put it on.
Meguiar's always has clearest instructions. They show you the before and after, and also they show you their different kits for different levels of wear. There's the light, medium, and severe. This is a medium kit, so that's pretty awesome. And also here you have the instructions. Now the instructions are very clear. The most important thing about these instructions is that after you're done the last coating, you have to wait 24 hours of curing, so you can't wet your headlights after the second coating. So here's convenient instructions of what's included. First you clean and then you coat. Here is what it looks like outside of the box. You get the coating plus 2 polishing pads, which are reusable, so that's very convenient. And of course, behind the box you have clear instructions on how to use the product. That is to say, polish, then coat, wait 3 to 5 minutes, then coat, wait 3 to 5 minutes, then 24 hours before water on the product.
So I'm going to take this wet cloth, wipe it down. Now, of course, what I'll do is I'll turn it over. A nice finishing touch. And I'll dry it off. Now, to apply the coating, they recommend 50% overlapping passes. Once everything is covered, let it dry 3 to 5 minutes. After that, put another one on. I'm going to use a few old microfiber towels to handle the overspray. So we've applied it. I'm going to wait 3 to 5 minutes. We'll get back to it. We'll look at the other headlight and compare. This is the one that's been done, and this is the one that's not done yet. So clearly there's already a big difference. So I think we'll call that a wrap. Looks pretty good. It's much improved to what it was. I think it's important when you're doing the overlaps to go as lightly as possible, or else I think it could start dripping and be less nice aesthetically. But ultimately, you want a clear headlight. Aesthetically, it's more pleasing, and also it's better for the visibility. Those lights, they go right through, and you have a better visibility at night. And that is it.